Hi everyone, welcome to the video. This video will help you understand how as an attendee you can log in into the event and what all features you have inside the platform. So first let's see how you can log in into the event. You will be receiving this kind of invitation onto your email IDs. You can simply click on click to join inside the event. Otherwise you can follow these alternate instructions as well. The other way can be the organizers can share the direct attendees link and you can simply open that link and you will be landing on this login page where you have got the sign in options. You can use them and log in into the event. Now when I click on click to join my event, it depends. If you have already used that email ID to log in into the event, it won't ask you the registration details. But if you are using a fresh email ID or a new email ID onto the platform, you might need to fill that details on the registration page and then you land on this particular stage area. So once successful login has been done, you will be logging and you will be coming onto this stage area. Now on this stage area, you can see all these sessions planned in the event. You can see whether they are starting shortly, what is the time and what scheduled sessions we have. Now when I join session 1, I can see there are numerous options on the left and the right hand side. So let's explore them one by one. On the right hand side, you can see partners, which comprises of all the support sponsors and the partners for the event. You can view the logo, even you can click on the logo to redirect yourself onto the website for more details. There is a discuss tab wherein you can put down your comments, your thoughts, and your views regarding the session. So this is an open forum chat box where anybody on the platform can put down a message. There is a Q&A tab. So this is a separate tab for all your questions. So in case if you have any question to ask from the speakers, you can put down your question over here. There is a panelist tab which will give you a very classified idea that who all are the speakers, moderators for this particular session. There is a tab for polls as well. So in case a poll has been launched, you can view that poll, you can submit your vote and you will get a real-time result like this. The handout section will allow you to download the numerous handouts or the important documents which have been uploaded inside the session. So you can simply click view and download it as well. There is an audience tab as well wherein you can see who all are the live audience inside the event. If you click on the profile picture of that person, you can even share and write a message and you can even share a business card as well. So the details, if you view and you want to view what details are being shared, so these are basically the basic details, your contact details which you fill at the time of the registration. So in case you may want to update your entire details, you can always do and update your entire details on the platform. Now, after covering all these things, I would like to bring your attention towards these three tabs which are over here. Now, let's discuss what's the profile tab. So, profile tab will allow you to switch on the themes. Whatever theme you would like, you can set it for your event and you can view the entire event in that particular mode. There is an update profile option as well, as I have mentioned that your business card contains whatever profile you have added at the time of registrations. Also, if you have not completely filled it, you can later on update the complete profile as well. And that's what the business cards are made of. You can log out from the platform once the event is over. Coming on to the left hand side of the event, you can see a floor which will gives you the complete idea of the event. What are the stages? You can go to lounge, you can redirect yourself to VIP rooms or to the booths as well. There is a stage area which I mentioned in the starting which will help you to move yourself to from one session to another and you can join whatever sessions are live. There is a attendees or we can say a lobby area wherein you can see and track all the users. Also, there is a one-to-one chat icon in front of every user in case you may want to connect with that user and network. You can simply put down the message. Also, there is an option of sending business cards in this area as well. There is a lounge area wherein you can grab any of the networking table and you can simply discuss and do your own conversation inside any table. So when you join a particular table, you will be getting the options of mic and camera as well. There is an option of screen share in case you may want to do a screen share. You can be joined by other three people as a particular table has four seats. There is an option on the right hand side where you can see, again, you can see the partners, you can see who all are inside the table, and you can see the viewers. Coming back to the left hand side, there is a VIP portion as well, wherein you can see who all are the speakers inside the event. Plus, every speaker has got one-to-one meeting room as well. So it depends upon the availability of the speaker. If they are available and sitting inside their VIP room, you can simply click on enter to chat with them and ask your queries. The booths portion is very interesting, wherein you can just enter any of the virtual stalls we have. Now for example, if you want to enter in any of the booth, you can simply enter, see what all are the handouts uploaded inside the booth, and you can wait for your invite, which you will be getting from the booth owners end, to kind of do a video interaction or a video meeting with that booth owner. So once you enter the booth, you will have to wait for the invite. Once you get the invite from the booth owner, you can talk to that booth owner. There is an option of help desk as well, where you can see all the admins of the event and you can reach out to any of these admins using these message tab, or in case if the admin is sitting inside the help room, you can click on the enter tab to enter and chat with that, you can do a video interaction with that admin. Otherwise, you are always free to put down a message and ask you about your queries or any of the issues if you are facing. On the extreme left bottom, there is a feeds page as well, wherein you can write down your feeds, your thoughts, or any comment about the event or the session going on, and you can quickly post it. So it is kind of a social feed ball which is open to everybody. On the extreme right, you will see a handout bag, troubleshoot, and profile picture. So in troubleshoot, in handouts bag, you can see what all the handouts we have on the event level. You can view them and you can even download them as well. Now there is a very interesting feature wherein you can send a mail to your mailbox, as in whichever email ID you have used. You can click on send to mailbox. It will select all the handouts for you. Now in case you'd want only one of these, you can simply unselect the other and keep the selected ones, and you can send it to your mailbox. There is an option of troubleshoot, so this is highly recommended to use in case you have any issues with the mic, camera, or internet. So first of all, you should make sure that the internet connectivity is stable, it is good. So we can sort of track that from here. There is a camera option to select whatever camera you are using at the moment. It should be the active one, and you should have the camera and microphone mapped over here on the platform. In case you use an external camera, please map them over in this troubleshoot icon as well. Now over here on top you have this reboot icon. In case if you have any slight audio video issue, it is always better to reboot it once. On the extreme right bottom, you have an invite option in case you would like to invite other people to the event. You can simply put down the email ID and send the invite to them. Also, there is an exit room option in case you may want to exit from this particular area where you were, and you can again go back to the stage area and choose whatever session you want to view. I hope this video was helpful and has helped you understand what all are the attendees functionalities and how they can use the platform up to their best possibility. Thank you so much.